Is your iPhone battery draining fast on iOS 27? Do this right now to stop the drain and save your battery life. Let's go. Fix number one. To stop your iPhone battery from draining fast on iOS 27, you have to lock down background processing. Go to Settings. I'm going to scroll down to General. Now we're going to hit Background App Refresh. Turn this completely off for the best results. Or you can just turn off the ones that you know you don't need refreshing in the background. Fix number two. If your iPhone battery is draining fast on iOS 27, GPS tracking is the biggest hidden culprit. Go to Settings, scroll all the way down to Privacy and Security, Location Services. Now you're going to go through your apps and set whichever ones are set to always over to while using the app. Now we're going to hit System Services, scroll all the way down, and we're going to turn off iPhone Analytics. And you can also turn off any other ones you feel like you won't be needing. Fix number three. Your iPhone battery will never last on iOS 27 if it's constantly searching servers for new emails. Go to Settings, scroll all the way down to Apps. Now we're going to scroll down to Mail, Mail Accounts, Fetch New Data. We're going to turn Push off, and we're going to set it to either 30 or 15 minutes. Fix number four. If your iPhone screen stays awake too long on iOS 27, your battery will deplete quickly. Go to Settings, scroll down to Display and Brightness, tap Auto Lock, and we're going to switch this from wherever it's set to 30 seconds for the best results, or whichever setting you feel comfortable with. Fix number five. If your iPhone battery is still draining fast right after installing iOS 27, do not panic. Your iPhone is currently running massive background tasks in order to index your files so that the new operating system works correctly. Keep it plugged into a charger and give it at least 24 to 48 hours to fully settle down. Drop a comment with your current battery health percentage, and as always, I appreciate the support. I'll see you guys in the next one.